Not a nasty one. Yeah, accumulated. I think that's soap. Oh, yeah, that's soap. Oh. Oh, it's lemon. It's lemon. Hi. I'm not looking. Oh. No, 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 no. Ew. No, 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 no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. No, 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 no. This is I haven't got this one could be a vomit one. It's okay. I'm not sure what flavour that is, but it's very. But yeah, we are we're certainly getting there. Alright. I can't breathe. Desinaka, thank you so much for the raid. 78 views. So much for the follow. Thank you so much. Oh wow. Desinaka, thank you for the follow. Elusive Pie, thank you so much for the follow. Budgie babies, yes. Lushy Angela. Yes! Woo! Nailed it! Oh. Okay. Really? That's awesome. That is absolutely